Hey gang, want to give you a little bit of review today on this four-piece whiskey glass set by Barvivo. This is their premium old-fashioned whiskey glass set, and thought I'd just open it up and give you my initial straight off-the-cuff reaction as we walk through it. Beautiful quality box here, well packaged, just a flip top, nothing to open, so let's break it open, see what we got. I've got a little quote here, all's fair in love and whiskey, love that. Look at that. Comes well padded. All these glasses look great. Well protected in here. Easy to pull out. Let's take one of these bad boys out. Ooh, I think I'm going to like this a lot. So these glasses here, it's a set of 4. Get them all out. There we go. Set of 4 whiskey glasses here. Man, right off the bat, look great. I don't know if you can see the detail here in the glass, but they look phenomenal. Nice cutouts inside of it. It's really well weighted. It's heavy on the bottom. The glass thickness itself is pretty thick. This isn't thin barware. I'm not worried about this breaking or anything like that. The size of it feels great in my hand. Man, first reaction, love this. It does have the name Barvivo etched in the bottom. Not my favorite, but not a big deal for me. Now let's see capacity-wise what we've got here. I've got 3 ounces of a test liquid here so that we can see what it would look like with a typical double shot inside of this glass. So there you go. As you can see, 3 ounces right here. Good looking glass, plenty of extra room in case you want to put it on the rocks, or if you wanted to make this a old-fashioned, an actual old-fashioned, you could do that. I'm going to throw a rock in it today so that you can even see it with a single large rock inside of it. Man, this glass looks good, feels great. Overall, love this. Give it a 5 out of 5 stars.